She was dying in the rain, and no one stopped. Then she found him, hurt, freezing, just like her. She had nothing, but she gave him everything, her only shelter. Because she chose kindness. Kindness chose her back. A human saw them and rescued them both, together. From trash to treasure, from abandoned to family. If this broke you, share it. The world needs this today.